Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw Kaspa to Kaspa Wallet. It's quite easy to get this done. Let's say you've got your Kaspa in a centralized exchange. The centralized exchange I'm using for this video is the KuCoin. So let's say you've got your Kaspa on KuCoin and you wish to withdraw it to a Kaspa wallet, which in question is the Caspian wallet over here. So all you need to do is quite simple. Open up your KuCoin app. With the KuCoin app opened up, all you need to do is head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure you have an account on KuCoin. If you do not have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses. So guys, on the KuCoin app at the wallet section, scroll from the overview to the funding or trading, depending on where your Kaspa is stored. Simply head over to the overview and simply click on the withdrawal option. Once there, you simply select the Kaspa token for withdrawals. So click on Kaspa, and now you're given the option to send via on-chain or internal. Internal transfer is to another KuCoin user, but I'm gonna be showing you how to move it to a Kaspa wallet. So all you need to do is get the wallet address and the network. So simply minimize, open up your Caspian wallet. Once your Caspian wallet has been opened up, click on the receive option, copy the wallet address that's shown, minimize and open up your KuCoin. With KuCoin opened up, paste the address there. The network has been entered automatically as Kaspa. Click on Max and simply click on the withdraw option. By doing this, you get to withdraw your Kaspa from KuCoin over to the Caspian wallets. And once it's on the wallet, a simple reload will get you your transaction and your balance would then be updated. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can withdraw Kaspa to Kaspa wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.